everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're regular. Today we're going to be making a Cuban dish called Frituras de maíz, corn fritters. Hola mis amores, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta, un platillo muy tradicional de Cuba, se llama fritura de maíz. For the ingredients, we're using 1 can of corn, el maíz enlatado, 1 onion, una cebollita, 2 Latino peppers, 2 ajicachuchas, a quarter of a red pepper and green pepper, un cuarto de pimiento rojo y verde, 4 garlic cloves, 4 dientes de ajo, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, una cuchara de polvo hornear. We're using 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 cucharas de harina. Also for the dry ingredients, we're using oregano, cumin, comino, sazon completa, and sal. So now I'm just preparing myself so that I can get ready to blend everything in a blender. Estoy preparando las verduras para la licuadora. So now I'm going to start adding my dry seasoning to my corn. I'm adding all the dry seasoning that I mentioned earlier. And then I'm going to add in the flour and the baking powder and mix everything together. Ahora añadimos los condimentos secos. Now we're going to add in all of our vegetables, our peppers and onion and garlic. Ahora le voy a echar las verduras, harina y polvo hornear. So now I'm going to use my NutriBullet to blend all the vegetables together, but I'm not going to blend it so long that it's going to be a fine puree. I want it just to basically pulse it. So you're going to just pulse it for a few seconds and then stop it because you want the corn and the vegetables to have some kind of consistency, some thickness to it. Quiere pulsar la masa, pero no mucho porque quiere una consistencia gruesa. Now we're going to add some oil so we can start frying them up. Ahora añadimos el aceite para freír las frituras. When you're frying these, do not walk away from the stove because they burn really quickly. So just be careful with them. Cuando fríe las frituras, ojo mucho porque las frituras se queman muy rapidito. The cooking time for frying these are about 2 minutes on each side. Fríe las frituras para 2 minutos más o menos. These are really great for parties because they're great for side dishes or you can eat them alone. Frituras son maravillosas para la fiesta como tapas o solas. Okay, so they're ready to come out and now I'm going to plate them. These are really quick to make and they're really delicious. And you can serve these with a dipping sauce if you want. Ahora están listas, son muy ricas. Y puedes servir las frituras con una salsa o un mayo ketchup, cualquiera. These are really delicious and let me just show you what they look like inside because they're like little puffs, little donuts. That's what they're like, little donuts. If you do them right and you fry them in enough oil, they'll puff up like this. If you fry them in less oil, then they're going to have a flatter consistency. It's nice and crunchy. Parecen como mini donuts. Si fríelas con suficiente aceite, van a ser esponjosas. Pero si no, serán planas. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Gracias por verme. Suscríbete a mi canal. Hasta la próxima. Bye bye.